Hello everyone! Today, I am going to guide you through the simple and easy process of how to view full screen preview in DaVinci Resolve. To initiate the process, I've incorporated a video clip into my timeline that I intend to view in its entirety on a full screen. The method to achieve this is quite straightforward. For those using a Windows PC, employ the Ctrl+F keyboard shortcut. Conversely, if you're navigating on a Mac system, the Command-F combination is what you'll need. Once you've triggered the full screen mode, controlling the playback becomes intuitive. A simple press of the spacebar allows you to toggle between play and pause, providing you with seamless viewing. Exiting this expansive view is equally uncomplicated. You have a couple of options. Either tap the Ctrl+F keys once more, reverting to your standard view, or maneuver your mouse cursor towards the screen's controls. Upon doing so, click on the designated Exit button, which will swiftly return you to the regular viewing mode. And with that, we conclude this tutorial segment.